Taupo District Council's new $25.4 million water treatment plant sits on the shore of Great Lake Taupo, just a stone's throw away from the town centre. With a capacity to treat 25,000 cubic metres of the lake's crystal clear waters a day, few would imagine it could be wrapped up in a 600 square metre footprint hidden away from view. Inside the plant, state-of-the-art technology ensures our residents receive water in its purest form. The solution delivered is a membrane-based treatment process that allows drinking water standards to be met while improving the resilience of our infrastructure and allowing for future growth. The compact design has combined the functionality of a working water treatment plant with a great viewing platform for one of the country's most scenic locations. The end result is simply stunning. The viewing platform acts as a draw card for both locals and visitors wanting to take in the full beauty of the Great Lake and the mountain backdrop. Designed in-house with the support of both the community and the local iwi, Tūwharetoa, the impact of having the plant located in a high-traffic area has been turned into a positive by the creation of what is an attractive and well-used public space. It's been embraced as a great addition to our vibrant town, and we know people will enjoy it for years to come.